Okay, in today's video, we are going to be looking at the Honey Google Chrome extension, where you can easily go and gather coupon codes, which will then save you money. Also, I'm also going to show you how you can earn money with the Honey extension as well. So stay tuned right to the very end for that as well. Now, as you can see, it says here Honey plus PayPal. Now, PayPal has acquired this Honey extension. And as you can also see, they have been used by or trusted by over 17 million members. Now, if we go across to my favorite site, obviously, the Trustpilot, and as you can see here, they've got great reviews, a 4.3 standing with over 4,300 reviews so far. So how do we go and get the Honey extension and how does it work? So let's quickly go through that with you. So as you can see here, you've obviously got basically anything you buy online. What will happen is once you've downloaded the extension, you will get a pop-up which comes up in the top right-hand corner here that says basically you can go and save money and go and buy it elsewhere. So if you're, say, for argument's sake, on a particular website and it pops up and it might say you can go and get it cheaper on this other website. So you can just click and then go across, okay? So that's basically how it works, and it is literally very, very easy to do. You can join Honey for free, okay? So all you have to do is just add Honey to the Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Opera browser. So it doesn't just do Chrome. Obviously, we're just going through Chrome today because I've downloaded it on my Chrome, but it will do others as well. So if you've got any of the other Safari, Firefox, and Opera, it will work on that too. Then all you do is obviously find savings in seconds. So basically, like I say, you are literally just searching a website and it will come up that you can save money. And that's what they basically look like. Once you've saved it, it tells you how much you've saved and what the original price was, etc. So very simple to actually go and do. And like I say, the average discount is around about 18%, and as you can see here, participating merchants is over 30,000 plus. Okay, this is worldwide. If you're thinking, you know, will it happen in my country? Can I do this in my country? Yes, it is worldwide. There will be obviously limitations in certain countries of which you can actually, what you can actually buy for, and some of them obviously are going to have more. America, UK, probably Canada are going to have more options than what you are in Asia and African countries possibly, but it's available everywhere. So if you want to save some money, just click on the link. I'll put a link in the description below here. So you haven't got to go and find it in the Google extensions or anything. Just click on that link and it will take you through where you can go and then download it straight to your PC. And let's just go and show you exactly how that is done. So basically you will come across to the Chrome web store here, and obviously I've got already downloaded mine here, so it actually says remove from Chrome, but basically you just click on the add to the browser, add the extension here, and then you are good to go. It will go through the setup process and you are there ready to go on that. And then all it's done, it adds it to your browser extension up here, and as you can see, mine is here. So this is how it works, guys. So as you can see here, you would search for deals. So you would go on this using the H&M store as a example here, and then once you start actually searching for stuff, it will find you coupons. Like I say here, it's got 8 coupons found, rewards between 1 and 5%, and you just apply the coupons, and that's it. That's all you really have to do. So then you literally just automatically trying the best coupons, and it will do the searching for you, and then you can see if you can save, and it will tell you how much you actually save. So like I say, you will save possibly £19 on this one. So you then get rewards as well, and the rewards are Honey Gold rewards. Okay, and I'm going to go through that now, because basically what it means is every time you do purchase, you can actually get Honey Gold rewards. Okay, and it's just like points that you basically build up that you can then redeem later Okay, so the Honey Gold point system here, as you can see here, you can earn gift cards just for shopping. So you can actually earn money. So when you're ready to shop, you can rack up Honey Gold rewards. And then you can obviously load them up to some of your favorite stores below. Just shop like you normally would. You obviously can activate your gold by clicking the button wherever you see it, and then you get gold on eligible purchases. Okay, and you can redeem 1,400 points of gold for a £10 gift card for some of your favorite stores. So that is a great way to obviously add on and make more money as well as saving money with the Honey Chrome extension. So if you do a lot of shopping online, make sure that you obviously just click the link below and go and download this. It's totally free, not going to cost you anything. And every time you go searching for stuff online, there's a possibility you could then obviously get it cheaper elsewhere. The Honeycomb extension will do all the work for you, so you haven't got to hunt for the cheapest place. Okay, I trust you found that interesting and useful. Don't forget to, if you want to save money on your purchases, download the Google extension now. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to check out watch these videos next. This will show you even more ways of which you can actually earn money online. Very, very quick and easy to do. Okay, that's it for today's video. We will see you on the next video.